Hi, hello everyone. This is Chakit from VAC Global Education. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about Conestoga College, and I'm going to give you each and every information what you should know about Conestoga College and what are the things like IELTS requirement, what is the percentage requirement, what is the backlog requirement, how much gap Conestoga accept. So we are going to discuss about each and everything in this video. So watch this video till the end so that you don't miss out on the information where you can take the informed decision. Before we can begin, I must tell you a story. There was one girl who was 39 years old, got her visa in Jan 23 intake, and she was quite hopeless about that she was going to get the visa. She had 39% IELTS score was good, around 6.5, not less than 6, but the percentage was 38 or 39%. And she lost all the hope because everyone told her that her getting the visa for Canada is pretty much impossible. But there is a video on our channel which you can watch. Her name is Deepthi Duggal, and you can see that video on our channel. She's explaining how the process was and how she was able to get the visa. So Conestoga is one college which has the highest flexibility when I talk about the Canada study visa. And what are those flexibilities? That all thing we are going to discuss in this video. So first thing first, let's start with the IELTS requirement. So IELTS requirement with Conestoga for UG it's overall 6, not less than 5.5, and for PG it's overall 6.5, not less than 6. Now this is general with pretty much all the colleges. What you should know about is, like, if you do not have the IELTS score as of yet, you can still apply for a conditional offer letter. And with PT and TOEFL coming into the SDS system, you can take either of those exams as well and get yourself a conditional offer letter. This will help you expedite the process. You will not be able to miss out the intake, and you will easily be able to get the admission without IELTS also. So when I say without IELTS, does not mean that you don't have to submit. You will have to submit. You will get time approximately 1 month after your application is submitted. You got the offer letter. Now you are going to get 1 month to submit your IELTS score, and that's how you can study at Conestoga College. You can apply for a conditional offer letter based on the IELTS requirement. Now gap, most of the colleges in Canada, they don't accept more than 5-7 years of gap, but Conestoga has no problem with the gap. They accept gap up to 10, 15, 20 years also. So anybody who is planning to go and study in Canada and has a lot of gap, then Conestoga is your best friend. You can definitely check it out. Third point in the list is the backlog. Backlog is how many subjects did you fail in your graduation and how many attempts did you take to clear those subjects. So generally, Seneca, Humber, they accept not more than 4 backlogs, 6 backlogs. But Conestoga has no problem with the backlog. As long as you have the passing certificate, all the transcripts and individual mark sheets, you are good to go. You can apply and get the offer letter from Conestoga College. So backlog is not the problem. Conditional offer letter, I've already explained. So if you do not have the IELTS score, you can study at Conestoga College. You can take the conditional offer letter. Conditional offer letter gives you time to prepare for your IELTS, to prepare for your degree if you are still in degree. And just to clarify this, if your IELTS is not done and you are still studying at university or college, then two conditions will not work. Only either of them can work. So either you need to complete your study and your IELTS is pending, or your IELTS is done and your studies are about to finish. So that way you can take the conditional offer letter. Now, the major important point what you need to take care of, there are very high chances if you do not put your file as per the IRCC guidelines, and you might have to face the rejection. I've been making videos about rejection from quite some time. So there are very different scenario which comes in front of us as a counseling team, that student got rejection for silly reasons. So if you want that your visa should not get rejected, then you need to make sure that you apply with an agent who can take care of your rejection part also. Now the sixth point is your percentage. Your percentage needs to be ideally above 50%. However, if you have less than 50% also, you can still apply. So speak to us. We will guide you how you would be able to do the application and get your visa. We have got the lowest percentage with which we have got the offer letter from Conestoga is around 38-39%. So percentage is not the issue. Just make sure that you speak to our team and we will help you how you can get the offer letter. Now the financial requirement, as per SDS, you required to pay 1 year tuition fees and GIC. You need to have enough funds to support your education. So for example, if you are applying for a 2 years course, make sure that you show at least a projection for the next year fees so that your visa chances goes higher. So make sure that your financial requirements are met before you can apply for the visa. Now, post-study work visa is quite simple. Post-study work visa, you get, if you do 1 year of course, you get 1 year of post-study work visa. If you do 3 years, 2 years of course, you will get 3 years of post-study work visa. So post-study work visa is quite simple and straightforward with Canada. And last but not the least is your part-time work opportunities. So you can work 20 hours while you are studying, and post you have completed your study, you are eligible to work full-time at any location, at any employer, wherever you want, and you will get ample of jobs once you'll complete the course. So you need to make sure that you can put your application in the queue so that you don't miss out on the opportunity of first come first serve basis. Your application will get processed faster. You will have higher offer letter chances because you'll be applying on time. And generally, the people who apply uh, before the intake opens, so whose applications are already in queue, they are the one who get their offer letter the fastest, because you guys will be the first one in the queue to get your application processed. The whole process is first come first serve basis. So without any delay, you would be able to get your offer letter on time, and then you will have plenty of time to get other things sorted. And we are here to help you with the entire process, be it shortlisting the best program for you, be it filing the offer letter, be it getting your offer letter, be it the education loan, SOP writing, financial documents, each and everything we are going to help you out with. So if you are looking forward to study at Conestoga College for May 24 intake, now is the time to take the action. There is a link in the description through which you guys can connect with us. We will be more than happy to help you, and we will help you with the entire process. So looking forward for your messages on our WhatsApp. The link is in the description, and we shall see you in our next video. Till then, you guys take care of yourself. Bye bye.